Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Eugene. Welcome to Random World. I thought this would be perfect. This was the 2022's Valentine's Lego set that they came out with. This is Valentine LoveBirds. So I'm hoping that like we're gonna have some Valentine's building blocks, some flowers, and I thought this would be a really good one to come out around Valentine's Day as well. I did pick this one up a long time ago, and you can see that it is a little lovebird here that it has, and you get flowers, and then I don't have that one, but it was one of the older sets that I did buy a long time ago, and I do like this. So we're gonna do this in stop motion, and we'll talk about it in a different video. So in this one, we're just going to build it in a stop motion form, which will be called speed builds now. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're spending time with a loved one.